It is now fairly well known that Te Aroha is a romantic destination, true to its name, the place of love. The aspiration is to create Te Aroha as a hub of art, culture, literature, music, theatre. To us, therefore, this particular retreat held high importance. We had styled, structured and formatted or even designed the retreat in a very unique way.
This painters retreat which we had decided to do in Te Aroha, we wanted to do it with a difference. This was not only just about getting together a bunch of like-minded, talented artists, but it was also about having fun.
तो हर पल में कुछ ना कुछ यहाँ पे देखने को मिलता है, कुछ ना कुछ समझने को मिलता है, हर क्षण कुछ ना कुछ घट रहा होता है. इट्स फुल ऑफ कॉस्मिक ड्रामा. तो उस ड्रामे का एक हिस्सा कल मेरे साथ यहाँ भी हुआ. मैं मंदिर गया तो ऐसा कुछ सोच के नहीं गया था कि कुछ करने वाला हूँ. मैं कहा मंदिर है, अच्छी बात है, साथ में कैनवस जा रहे हैं तो कुछ रंग वंग लगाऊंगा. तो वहाँ जाके तो कुछ और ही हो गया जो मैंने सोचा नहीं था. और एज ए पेंटर जो मैंने आसपास देखा, ये इसका बखान कुछ नहीं हो सकता है. काम से कभी कभी कुछ निकल सकता है. तो आर्टिस्ट का जो कंट्रीब्यूशन है वो समय के पश्चात नज़र आता है.
I've had a passion to do portraits. So this lady, I took her picture and they have this innocence and they're such simple folks and they're so happy. It was greatly healing for me. This place is so beautiful and artistic and built with such a passion. That's why I'm loving being here.
Coming here has been a very good opportunity for me again to be around nature and just to notice birds and all different kind of birds I'm seeing every day. So मेरी paintings they would always work around a woman figure with a circular ball of energy, which I thought was woman is the creator, just like the sun is the the first thing in the morning. The sun wakes up and sun rises, and sun के साथ ही सारी चीजें we all wake up with the sun. And the woman, which I kind of feel both the creator.
Through my work, I try to capture, a typical light and shadow thing. That is the thing that I always, look for. That the sunlight, how it, falls somewhere and create some kind of story, on human or on some architecture and anything. I have met wonderful people with lots of positive energy.
Basically, I love life, I love people, I love human beings. So that is one of the biggest energy. I do painting and cartooning. यहाँ मैंने बहुत कुछ बनाया. Let me show you something. जैसे नीलाद्री ये जाने माने आर्टिस्ट है, तो ये हमारे बीच होते हुए भी हमें लग रहा था कि ये कुछ ना कुछ ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं. ये अपने कुछ सब्जेक्ट ढूंढ रहे थे, थीम ढूंढ रहे थे. So I tried to capture that.
The moment I was walking through the village, wild area of this mountain, I found very wild kind of flowers and smell along with that. It is a kind of smell of the orchard I painted.
You come and spend time here, you have a lot of time to yourself. The creativity automatically flows, I believe. And that energy I saw, came out of the group. I wondered, you had senior artists, you had junior artists, and you wondered, how they would all, come together.
Once I came over here just to see all these artists inspired by nature, creating impromptu works, I think that was amazing, and the whole energy of the place.
We sang songs, we got sentimental, we talked about all kinds of stuff, we did all kinds of stuff, we had fun at the end of the day.
I'm so delighted that the whole format of the art retreat that we have put together has worked very well. Te Aroha is blessed to have had such an event here.